Hi guys, it's me, Mixlings. Welcome back to my channel. I have a surprise for you.
Huh?
What? You want to see it?
Yes!
Ta-da! Ta-da! It's a Magic Mixling. Get ready to have an adventure, a magical adventure. So as you see here, we are gonna unbox 4 shimmering Magic Mixies.
Wow.
We have some wands, a cauldron, and some Magic Mixies. This one, I don't know what is it, but this one, I think it's a dragon. And if we have this one, the blue one, and we tap the gem, and maybe pop out wings. And now this one, I think it's this one, and it will show its wings. And this one is definitely for this one. And I think it's gonna glow in the dark. And here we have a cauldron. And look, there's one missing. That one, this missing one must be in the cauldron. Oh, look behind. Oh, I knew it. It was gonna glow in the dark. It actually shows the ball, and I knew it. It has wings. So the moon is common. The star is rare, and the diamond is ultra rare. And we need to rub the cauldron to see it. I hope I get the ultra rare. Now it's opening. Wow! Ah! The ones! So here are the ones. Wow! So here are the ones. Wow! And now let's get out the mixer. The mixer. Oh, I see. It has a bag around it. Oh no, it has a bag around it. Wow! Look, the cauldron. Oh, look at this. There's something in it. Here.
Huh?
Let's get them out. Wow, look at this.
Wow!
It has twinkles around it and some horns. Shoot! Dragon.
Wow!
We have a dragon. And we can move the tail. Move the tail. Okay. Now the last one. I can't get this one. Got it. Now look at this little guy. He's so cute. And we can move the tail too. Okay, so I think this is a cat. You see the wings?
Mm-hmm.
There's wings.
Ah.
The tail. Now, how do we open this cauldron? Oh, we need scissors or something.
Let's do it.
I think we can do it. I can do this. What's in here? Oh! Look at this. Look how cute and adorable. It looks so cute and adorable. And the tail looks like a kitty. Now we have all of the things. Now I think we can do something with them. I think we can do something. Whoa! Look! I just put them down for here. Okay. Wow, it has wings. Look at this. It looks so pretty. Okay, let's put them away. And now let's try this one. What the? This one does nothing. Wait, this one think this one only works. What's wrong with this one? I think it needs to be in the dark to be able to work. Let me show you this one. Wow, look! It showed the diamond! Isn't that pretty? It showed the ball. Isn't that pretty? Shoot, and the tail was pretty too. Now, everything is unpacked. Let's do the reveal. So we need to put this in, then put the water. We need cool water to reveal. It's revealed. Let's take out the one. Then let's get. Wow, it's all pink. Get out. Wow, look at it. Isn't it pretty? It's all pink. It's all pink. And it looks pretty. Because the belly looks a lot more pink. And look at the mess. We need to get the one into light to charge its magic to cast spells. Magic spells. If you like this unboxing Magic Mixlings, make sure to subscribe and like for more magical adventures. Bye!